Did you know that children with high self-esteem are more likely to have better mental health, perform better academically and socially, and make better life choices? That's why nurturing self-respect in children is so crucial. Positive reinforcement is a powerful tool for boosting self-esteem. Encouraging children when they achieve something, no matter how small, can make a big difference. Effective communication is key to nurturing self-respect in children. Teach them to express themselves honestly and assertively, while also listening actively to others. Setting boundaries helps children understand their limits and the consequences of their actions. This helps them develop self-discipline and respect for rules. Encouraging independence is an excellent way to boost self-confidence. Give children opportunities to make decisions and solve problems on their own. Promoting positive body image helps children develop a healthy relationship with their bodies. Emphasize that everyone is unique and that physical appearance doesn't define one's worth. Teaching empathy helps children understand the feelings and perspectives of others. Empathy fosters respect for diversity and cooperation. Leading by example is a powerful way to nurture self-respect in children. Demonstrate self-respect by valuing your own needs and treating yourself kindly. Discourage constant comparison with others. Teach kids that their worth is not determined by how they measure up to their peers. Teach children that making mistakes is an opportunity for growth. Encourage them to take responsibility and learn from their errors. Encouraging hobbies and interests helps children discover their strengths and talents. This boosts self-confidence. Respectful relationships are crucial for nurturing self-respect in children. Show kids what respectful relationships look like, whether it's with family, friends, or others. Positive self-talk is an essential part of building self-respect. Help children recognize and challenge negative self-talk. Embracing diversity and teaching kids to appreciate different cultures, backgrounds, and perspectives promotes respect for others and themselves. Celebrate diversity. Teaching the importance of self-care reinforces self-respect. Taking care of their physical and mental well-being is crucial. Finally, emphasizing the significance of kindness, honesty, and integrity helps children uphold strong moral values. Children who uphold strong moral values tend to have higher self-respect. In conclusion, nurturing self-respect in children is a multifaceted process that involves positive reinforcement, effective communication, setting boundaries, and promoting empathy and self-care. By empowering children to grow into confident, resilient, and respectful individuals, we help them navigate life's challenges with grace and dignity.